Hey there, aspiring AI enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how you can become an AI consultant and earn a lucrative income from it? Well, I have a surprise for you, so make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel, and here we go. This is Terminal 5, but Terminal 3 is one of my favorite ones. As an AI consultant, your portfolio is your calling card. Showcase your projects, highlight your achievements, and demonstrate the impact of your work. This will give potential employers or clients a clear picture of your capabilities and the value you can bring to their business. Terminal 4 is on. Network, network, network. Connect with professionals in the AI field, attend industry events, and join online communities. Networking can open doors to job opportunities, collaborations, and valuable mentorship.
Terminal 2 is on. I have given you courses for free in for AI consultant. Link in description. Gain practical experience. The theory is great, but the real-world experience will set you apart. This hands-on experience will not only strengthen your skills, but also demonstrate your abilities to potential employers or clients. Terminal 3 is my favorite one. Establish your earning potential. As an AI consultant, your earning potential can be substantial. The demand for AI expertise is skyrocketing, and businesses are willing to invest in consultants who can help them navigate the AI landscape. Research industry standards, evaluate market rates, and negotiate a fair compensation package that reflects your skills and experience.
And there you have it. By following these steps, you can set yourself on a path to becoming an AI consultant and earning a rewarding income by being consistent. If it found helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.